As the midweek fixture between Highlanders and Pikita Minerals here at Papa Field Stadium. It's a Passed Mover specials always brought to you by Benaya Foods. It's the midweek fixture Highlanders between Pikita Minerals. No put us shop.
Anshapu mnabatini.
Go you see top.
Mna God knows mwinde.
God knows this supporter Highlanders. You could put us about top.
Mina ngumpilo Stole.
Mpilo zithini?
Mina ngishap.
Bafethu bamfuna ama predictions kuphela ibhora lengaqali sizwa ama predictions.
Hayi lapha abantu bayafa namuhla ibhoso iyawina 2-0.
Yale nje wena 2-0 mbani ubona ngahlohla.
Unqobile usengahlohla laphana maybe lo ureason. Ya lo reason.
Ureason ukufoma manje uyohlohleliwe laba. But azonibona njani game namuhla?
Yeah, ibhoso definitely is a winner but 2-1. Ureason I think uzahlohla. Then S2 maybe bazachai on call.
But I have to commend you guys. Ibhora lithanda. Ngiyabona ngendlela osimathi ngawo baleke esipaneni.
Uzubone mfowethu vele ngitshela amakhiwa ngathi zwanini guys ngachibhache eofisini. Sangebhoreni mina.
But azawo baleke esipaneni.
Nambaleka ngesipana abe sekasi laphana.
Okay, lo mbuzo oyi1 before ukuthi like amagame manje midweek kuyayenza yini ukuthi bafake ebusuku o ngumbono njani ukuthi maybe ncini ngathi ungacheka test last week bengela game ichicken ile Highlanders bezi away this week zonke eziku home kuyavuma into enye befake ebusuku evinenye bese kwenza isikwazi ukuyasupport ama teammate onke oyi2.
Yeah, I think kumele benze njalo but for team njengebhoso ngeke bekhale because ibhoso vele is a crowd pull on its own but ama team afana labo chicken I think kuzamele bemelele ibhoso idlale yabona ubhudo omkhulu edlale bona bese bedlala ntambama ngoba sisingahamba siyoba support after sesibona iqembu elikhulu sibancede njengomakhelwane.
Kuyazwakala unubona njani umbono lo?
Mina I think our matches ayebusuku like for midweek fixtures. I think it's a great initiative since abantu abaningi babe occupied during the week. Thothi abaningi ngare so basespan ngare san. So abantu babe free if a match is starting at 3 ngare umuntu usespan vele so kusuka kube nzima ukuthi umuntu attend. But if a match starts at 6 most people vele bayese dismiss the span so it will be great if ama matches aqalisa eqale late.
Befake njoba kuyi2 ebonke i2 enye ibe ngo3 luveve enye ibe ngo6 enye
iqalise early because thola ukuthi labantu befuna ukusupporta maybe just to watch maybe nesebezabuya on the back ngapha like iku Highlanders so it's great ukuthi maybe enye iqalise early and then enye izaqala later.
Thank you Boras. Shama brothers asibonani after Bora. Thanks Boras.
Siyabonga kakhulu thanks.
Asibonani after Bora. Boras yamushap
Mpilelo njani mfowethu?
Mina yaphila. This is Tape 3 Events TV.
Yeah.
Ngicela prediction yakho phela Boras.
Namuhla.
Yanamhlanje
mele siwine 2-0.
Kumele ubonani liza wena umele liwine ngenkani.
Kumele siwine ngenkani not ukuthi sizawina noma ngoba njani. It's a must siyawina vele.
Ora ubona libaroka ongahlohla
ozasihlohlela namhla. Ngoreason lo Rouse.
Origin sechisile abantu bonke sebemfake egapini mbole last week ngiyohlohlile lo munye umbuzo ababhuda uzoleke ngimbuza abantu ukuthi uthothi last week bengela ama games ngobulawa this week sesifayela ama midweek games is it good ngombono wakho is it good ukuthi sibe lenye game ebusuku enye ibe khona emini ngo3
kusuka kube nzima like midweek kanti uyabona ukuthi especially Highlanders isupportwa ngabantu abaningi already this week basemsebenzini ku midweek vele already basemsebenzini so kusuka kube nzima ukuthi umuntu esichima umsebenzi ebuye abanye bakhona bayasebenza yabo so unga movie hour kuyaluza so sibalelo sifuthi ku team
Ben City uthotha this week is le 2 games ichicken ile ayadlala ngo3 eyalendala yadlala ngo3 sikhulume maybe file petitions sikhulume labantu bezifa ukuthi alright besifayile ichicken ini ngo3 abakwanisa ukuba support ichicken be support ichicken ngo3 eyalenda befike ngo6 or 7.
Yeah, kuyavuma ngingazi manje ukuthi amalate ayazivumela ini lokho ukuthi silibukele intambama. Anti yabona ukuthi amalate mhlawumbe kasivumele vele sibukele intambama.
Uthi asebenza.
Ukuthi ayasebenza yabo. But mayisebenza vele kuyali ukuthi sinjani. Sibukele intambama hayi siyabukela ibhola.
Alright but basibona after Bora.
Hayi asibonge mfowethu. But umunye umbuzo bengifuna ukuba kwazi mfowethu ngokuthi why ucoach Otechiye ufire phandle.
Hayi sizabona sharp butas
kule boss
ubaleke esipaneni
ngibaleke emsebenzini khona
kanti wayini emsebenzini le njalo ayicala
hayi le ndavele siyayithanda kakhulu le boss oyiboss
ikho sokubuya khona umbuzo wabo ke ngibuza abasingakangena uprediction yakho bembuza ukuthi is it not wise ukuthi PSL isifile Xa kusiba nama midweek fixtures besifayele enye igame ebusuku iHighlander bebe ncebe efike ngo7 besifayele ichicken inn ngo3 njengoba namhla ziwom zonke besifayele ichicken inn ngo3 sikwazi ukuthi maybe abakwanisa support ichicken bebuye bese support iHighlander mbaya ngoba iHighlander yela abantu abaningi
kakhulu ukuthi laba ichicken lithole support ngoba iHighlander yela ama supporters amaningi so ama supporters engabuya ngapha ngala kusela support ngala
ngoba ngiyabona kade lama queue abe affected njengoba libaleke emsebenzini
akuvele khona kuba affected kakhulu
alright but azabe icodi iprediction yalabuhla iHighlander versus Bikita Minerals ubona njani khena namuhla
Highlanders 2 Bikita Minerals 1
hayi mbana ombone ehlohla kuHighlander
uBrighton uyahlohla nami
uBrighton
sure uyahlohla
umshoro ubona phela bayi2 omunye mbona ususpended
u14
alright but yasam asibona after game khona sharp man ubaleke esipaneni lawo
nami imbaleke esipano amakhiwa ngache ekhala lapho ngabaleka esipano
la ngiyafika emsebenzini yakho labantu
emsebenzini yakho labantu hle sabaleka ngelunch
man ngicela iprediction bese ngibuza umbuzo lo lokho ngibuza abantu ngifuna ukuthola nje ukuthi warathiwa kane iprediction ngifuna ukuza ukuthi is it not wise ukuthi sikhulume labantu bePSL besifayela ama night games
amele besifakele igame ka7 ntambama kwenza ichicken ile amayidlala kathe sikuhomu sikwanza ukuthi lathi suka lapha senjani sebukela ichicken ini so iboss ayawina 2-0
mbani umbone hlohla
mshore lo reason
ureason uphuma wonke emlonyeni wabantu lesophuza yeza nje yakwenze last week eGweru
uyakwenza ureason vele kade so isikhathi sakhe manje ichance wangayitholi but manje seyitholile asomele yenza umsebenzi wakhe
alright thanks brothers yap sharp my brother asibona after game khona hayi labo mphahle wabo mama abahle for the first time labo mphahle wabo mama beHighlander abahle kakhulu bomama linjani
yebo siyaphila ola
mfuna iprediction bomama libonani igame namhlanje dlala njani
2-0
sika bayichista peta
2-0 1-0 4-0
ora ngicela ukuthi mbani olibonana engahlohla namhlanje ngoba lini ngamagobhora amaningi kangaka
ureason
uthi yahlela yedwa
yebo
alright asibona nini after bora khona lapha sibona ukuthi kuyabe kudlale njani sharp brother
siyabonga right here emagumeni isika bayichista petape 3-0 we win
lesupporte likhulu leHighlander twangu Ndruza MC Ndruza namhlanje membambe imic
Yabo apotasa kaya umdlalo uthintshile inyoni yethu elirekele
Ndruza ngicela iprediction Highlanders versus Bikita ibona njani ke namuhla
oqala ngicela ukuxolisa uzebukela iHighlander ngqo iJesi Liverpool iJesi lama ngilibone leHighlander but iprediction engiyibona it's 4-0 namuhla in favor of Highlanders
for not
yes 4-0
mbani ohlohla nje 4
ureason uzahlohla uBrighton uyahlohla i-on goal bengayichaya even uBrighton engahlohla 2 but kwa reason uBrighton ukhona uzahlohla 2 yes
alright my brother sibona after bora sibona ukuthi prediction yakhe yabiyiyo yini
asisonga sozembaleke
siman Ndruza
Bikita
Highlanders 1 Bikita Minerals 0 ibone njani game mtalo?
Ya igame ngiyibonile kodwa kulomfana lo number 30 ongene eSuper Sub lo wanti. Ufana lo uyagijima. Ukuthi ngabe uKayindi uyamqalisisa sike sibone sibili ukuthi uyagijima umfana lo.
Bekuyi first game yakhe. I'm sure bebephonga ufuna ukuthi bemnike la ama minutes then wase prove otherwise. Ubufuna ehle eqalise kuyi first game yakhe.
Lo mfana lo ngifuna ukuthi aqalise lo number 30 lo. Ya uyagijima umfana lo uyagijima kakhulu.
But yona igame overall ibone njani yonke 90 minutes?
Ya igame ibi right kodwa into enginanzelele lapha nanti uMcNon namhlanje umshoro omncane hayi bengekho ubengekho sibili uSlimazile la khona kuyana ukuthi uMaison Mshori ubengekho anti nguye umuntu esimdinga esenta lapha lo Melikhaya sibadinga labana abantu kodwa hayi lo mfana lo undlalela ibhola lemnandi number 30
ukhale ngo number 30
hayi number 30 hayi undlalela ibhola lemnandi
baba sharp umtala
sharp sikhona nina
my brother sharp
mina ngishabu ngikhumbula isikhathi sika Newman Qaba ebemeza ibhora ethi uyayibona mina ibhora ngiyibemeza mfowethu
but azizwana mvubuza ukuthi igame uyibone njani
hayi igame ngiyibone kakuhle abafana bebhoso badlalile bebe senza lokhana engakugcina kudala kusezonga bo Azilo Mdlovu obekuthemba Ndlovu labo Peter Ndlovu hayi idlalile ibhoso iChilazi siyabonga i 3 points yathisa ibhoso yathisa ibhoso iteam yethu bana kuchayelisa la pressure kaCharles Ndazula
right mfowethu hayi siyancama
igame libone njani bachitha
hayi game idlaliwe imnandi mfowethu only that abafana bethu they lacked i-concentrate ekucineni ibhola siyaphela ngananzela imidi yethu ibisingani silika ibisifile but esingakutsho abafana wa happy for the 3 points next time.
Thank you my brother. Wena put us ibone njani?
We have committed lapha abafana singafuna ukuthi befaka abafana bayi200 uthi basincedise ku strike force asihlakani mina yabona inkinga
but manager lo Brighton bakhona phela uBrighton uhlohlile nje strike
awuhlohlile but uyenze nge-first half manje besifuna second half we-2-0 manje sibe le 3 points yabona singaphi mntababa bonga wena mntababa unqube mina
hayi ngiyabongeka but asithina i-Dep 3 TV mthala
it's okay ngiyabonga mntababa.
Thank you so much my brother.
mina no Archie buya buya
afa Josta
waza sibe iLuveve chapter se promoter namhlanje yeah
afa Josta
uyiswi
abna sharp
skipani
konke clean
no simnande list si happy
igame ibone njani
hayi game abafana debedlala but bebengadlali the way bese expecta ngakhona but at least i3 points itholile si happy nge3 points
usolane kakhulu kuyini okusolana
midfield lapha yana phakathi kumele bebona ukuthi into yokwenza yabo utalent
lo kwathi we defend okuncane lo
yabo
was a problem namhla obengadlali gameplay
Arthur mela khuzwa angazi ukuthi akazilanga or kwenzakalani kodwa thina sithi iLuveve chapter we are here for iHighlander. You know what I'm saying? Yes. Ukrandach.
Thanks to Undori mfana nomutsha lwana. Umfana nongenile lwana no man.
Ah no boyfriend like Molly imkhohliwe hayi like Mo siyambonga.
hayi uthongo lokuze ngisasho
mina ngithi shout out to Dep 3 away.
Highlanders.
Jay Andaba le former player Highlander.
Mana uthi eqinisela wena player le friend laziyo manje.
Ahora vevuka ukuba nawe. Afuna ukuba nawe ora
ngiyasotha kari.
Ufuna ukuba njengoma iqongisa ikhamera bothomlo ongakanani?
Point.
Piki uyiswi?
Amna sharp umdala.
Uyibona njani game program?
Hayi game first half besingane si ngani basipressiland but introduction yabafana abancane laba number 30, number 12, number 26 and kusenze sa iza down. Saqalisa ukudlala ibhola thina esilaziyo le Highlanders.
Yabo number 30 abantu bayakhala ngo number 30 wonke umuntu ukhuluma ngo number 30
ajeke asibwa kukhanyela yabo sithi but and kuyazi into okuyenza
ngokwami ngisikhuluma eside lana indasifu mina kumanje ngiyamnika ired card vele ngiyahle ngimnika ired card yena uref umphathi umnompempe andithi yes
but overall igame yona uyibone njani
clean yonke into yabe ihamba kahle
okay
siyabonga silahlekela ama-players ama-key players umashon lo munye wakhona so besithi thina siyadliwa but the way ukhanya into ayenze ngakhona igame siyabonga kakhulu.
Yeah, very happy.
Silayo coach.
Thank you very much, ref. Sharp. Hey, I need my brother.
I didn't know
Can you comment? Omnya kabi Machitari Shop.
How are you, bro?
I'm good, my brother. What's up?
The game was open. Of course, Islanders played very well indeed. They will always play well.
They will always play well.
Yes, Ngaba.
The game was open for everyone, and it had been that we capitalized on the missed chances. We could have harvested a number of goals, but unfortunately. The boys, maybe it was issue of confidence, it was an issue of composure, it was an issue of not understanding the need that we are there. It's midweek, you remember that. Maybe they are used into a full-packed stadium. But
it was packed.
It was, yes.
At the end of the day, it was packed.
No, not that.
Not to the rafters, yes, but it was packed.
Not that packed, but it was. We tried to maintain the momentum, but when I'm talking about fully packed, I'm talking about it's not enough. Like so, what if you look at Mpangweni? Baba feels the stadium is sitting at a capacity of something like 30 something thousand. But now, if we are to take the statistics, you will understand that maybe we are 20 something, or we are 15, between 15 and 20.
Okay, so you feel and think which midweek games will be played at night, maybe.
That much in terms of its impossibility, but we so wish it's impossibility. There's because the last in terms of the night games, schoolmen.
All right.
It's impossible.
Sharp matches. Thank you very much.
Sharp mtala skibani.
Abna iswi. Igame libone njani?
Igame imnandi mdala. Besiwa. Manje ibuhlungu ngilabantu ukuthi ngithe ngena mina bese kuhlohlo kudala so egwambona ngakomi.
Why ubuya late?
Je bembela amashona manje besingenisa nzima laba.
Wona ngobuye late.
Nampakisile mina ngo-quarter to 3 bengiselayinini.
Ngo-quarter to 3 je abantu abazigenele shap wona ngo asizwanini asifundeni ubuya masinye ibhora ngathiwa ngo-3 half 2 yabusuyina half 2 busuyinaje.
Alright.
But ngesikhathi ongene ngasi game ibone njani?
Game hayi mnandi hayi yale ndawo ngitshelani i-team kababami i-team sika reward yazi ingichazile hayi yazi ngingikhonza ama days kusadlala uPeter Ndlovu
mana sizwe lo omude lo ngani ufuna ukukhuluma mana khayela ngale
khayela ikamera
uyibone njani game
igame le jekani ibi fair and fine but the problem now ukuthi this guy wanted to beat me.
Aso kwebhora. Sikhuluma kwebhora.
Bora amadadlala. Amashona abhikita lawan amamkute lawan asebenzi ngabo thina.
Asikhuluma kwebhora. Wena ukhuluma kwebhora. Wena ngasayizo kwebhora.
Alazi ibhora.
Alright, ibhoso badisha idlala shap.
Ibhoso bra. Ibhoso.
Sub machita. Maltini funa we. Maltini usi.
Ngishaba egameni right.
Mina ngishaba mina. Uyibone njani igame?
No, igame ibisharp but iyalendaza second half ingani ibe down imidfield ngeke sharp namhlanje. Yeah, because maybe because umshori lo Melikaya bebengekho. Yeah.
All right.
So laba de bekhona namhlanje hey ukujela up uDarlington lo Thoma American
Malvin.
Yeah, Malvin yeah bebengaklikisha up namhlanje. Ibobo ithuwa bengani ngiyabasola kakhulu.
But isubstitution ka coach wena uyibone njani?
No, isubstitution ka coach ibisharp like sebisa number 30 short guy. Then number 12 is little bit slow. Like nxa siwina kumbe sidinga like i-1 not is not safe. Siyabe sesidinga ukuthi maybe sithi caution second goal sibe le 2 goals and but lo mfana lona beslow lo number 12 Tomano umfana weKathubak lo. Yeah. So but anyway, ibisabi substitution because we need 2-1-0 kushapa so lutho yeah. But next time coach mina nanzelele afaka abantu aba fast when going forward sidinga I second goal yeah.
At times bepengce bona ababa beqalisile yiba babengcono according to yena coach.
Yeah, babengcono of course but iyabona la uya gambler as a coach. Uyabona ukuthi ebench lami ndabantu abanjani then utshintshe. Uyachintsha accordingly. Yabo utshintsha because sokumele utshintshe. Ngoba eSoweto sebetha thiwa ngapi empangweni sebetha ukwelo no. Asitshintsheni sifaka ama players like mina ukuphuma kwaMshore I wasn't happy. Mina ngokwami number 7. Yabona? Yeah. Number 7 was good. At least ngabe skipper uThoman Marvin.
Captain America.
Then low talent because of injury yes. Ngiyavuma half time. But Umshore ngaba mthile. Low rouse. Yeah.
But overall 3 points you are happy.
Yeah, I'm very happy. Yes, I'm very happy. Ithi iPoso ayiwine siyaphambili. Yithi meka mfana la uyakwazi sadla la uAjax sasuka sobukele Highlanders. Highlanders yiteam yethu siyayithanda sonke lapha eBlawayo. Akula umuntu ozondi Highlanders. Whoever ozondi Highlanders ehlale eBlawayo ambona ukuthi uyabela indebele. Sorry to say that. But in a very stand Highlanders.
Thank you so much Maltini. Sharp Maltini.
Thina 100% sharp as long Highland winile iwa 100% okay.
Igame libone njani?
The problem is abafana in the first half bebegijimela they don't open abafana bethu abebhikitha bebevula igame bevula iground abethu bebevala iground yi problem manje at the same time those guys they have to learn to open the ground bengabi phakathi kakhulu bevumela abanye ama players the opponents to go bevale igame manje bethi bevala igame akuyenza nje as compared to iHighlanders and iBigit Hunt abafana beBigit afuqamba manga bachofa afuqamba manga even bechofa but okusaland thina siwinile sathaba that matters happy opposite 3 points. Yes. One. But one does it makes a difference. It makes a difference. If you're fair, we expect 5.
Siyabonga Highlanders mas.
All Highlanders. Even idliwa win our Highlanders.
Shaba sister.
Do or die. Highlanders. Vela stingy. Umkabo wasisheli Highlanders. Siyabonga. Highlanders.
Athi sishapu namhla siyabonga ukuthi iHighlanders ayenza ngidraw. Iwinile siyathaba amahlolanyama ayihlala ihlomile. Lathi abalandeli bayo siyabonga.
Ubona njani game Putters?
Phutha njengami usobhuku weteam ngikhangelele ukuthi iteam ihlala iwina njenganamuhla iteam ikakuhle ayimanga kakubi iteam inhle sime kakuhle umanage nohlelo le4 goals
akube 1 note
manje siwina
akube 1 note
manager ule 4 goals umanage 4 goals umanage ngutop goal scorer Zimbabwe yonke
ayisuye munavaya
sayibonga iteam mdala sayibonga iteam hayidlala
mina right hayi team injabulisile sibiland I'm from Wange and I'm happy Highlanders
siyabonga namahle mali ngawunibona mkoma wangu ndebi
makadini
hayi nindiripo
aiwa tinofarisa
kemwe yona sei
zvina kunyatsomira mushi tedakatarisirawo kuwina si kana tisina kuwinawo zvinhu zvezvakatiomera
Highlanders 1 Bigita Minerals 0 iro game pairo chairo kariora sei
game riri fair tiri kukundwa zveshuwa but pane paida ngogadziriswa 1 or 2
ndepapi papo
kunyanya kumidi yedu ndona soti ndesati nyatso balanza plus combination yedu yemastriker ya iri kuita seri kunotiregera defense yayo yanga yakanaka asi panyaya yemastrike apa combination yacho yasonyatsobalanza zvakanaka na
mtara wairenja one airenja uone njani
mbona ngathi i-team yabo i-blind ucoach wabo he plays too safe. There are some good players, and all the teams in the league can steal players from them. They have no weakness in defense. They have no weakness in midfield. They might have a weakness in strike force, but ndokwatoba player.
Ngobiyanga etuza ukhatshana kakhulu but wena i-team yakho yayilendi uyibone njani?
We are playing well. Our coach is reading them right. Sebala, he is watching the tape.
Oh, kind of.
Chaya.
You mean kind of?
Tina says that you calf. What then good?
All right. So plus from this game going to Pikita, what can you take from this game?
Yeah, so far I'm going to advise kuma technique yedu kuti vakwanise kugadzirisa pane pavari kuona kunyanya kustriking yedu plus substitution yedu toona sekuti combination yayo inofanira kugadziriswa kana vachisubstituta vanofanira kumeka sure macombination avanenge vachiisa kuti anokwanisa here kuti zvizonyatsofambidzana because ndinoona sekuti pavari kusubstituta combination yacho iri kuramba kunyatsonobalanza zvakanakanaka.
Thank you Mkoa, but 1-0 is not a bad result considering kuti away from home.
Yeah, kudyiwa kunotarisirwa kuwina futi tinokutarisira zvese tete takazvitarisira ndo zvinoita game ndokuratidza kuti game.
Hi, tatenda Mkoma, thank you very much. Highlanders 1, Pikita Mineral 0, full time at Papa Fields Stadium. Thank you for watching Pass and Move special. Remember to like, subscribe, share and give us your comments on the comment section. Thank you so much.